Hello everyone. Right now I'm in Press School International, which is situated in Nursery, District, Meghalaya. I would like to announce to you that admission is open here. So you can come and join with me. We'll go inside and check out the infrastructure of the school, and maybe we'll talk to the principal that she can tell us more about the school. So let's get inside.
I am the principal of Christ Senior Secondary School, belonging to the Order of Carmelite Sisters of St. Teresa, short for CSST. It is a CBSE residential school for boys and girls from class 6 to class 12. Admission is open for all classes for class 11, arts and commerce. Extracurricular activities are provided, such as dance, music, karate, and swimming. Extra coaching on senior PT, NEET, and JW. Our goal is to nurture the young minds intellectually, morally, and spiritually, empowering them to become the responsible citizens and compassionate leaders of tomorrow.